Welcome to day 11 of your self-love transformation journey. Today, we rebuild something sacred, your self-trust, the ability to listen to yourself, believe yourself, and stand with yourself. You deserve to feel grounded in your choices. You deserve to feel confident in your direction. You deserve to trust yourself again. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Let's begin. Allow your body to soften into stillness. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting you fully. Relax your shoulders. Soften your face. Unclench your jaw. Let your belly rise and fall gently. With each breath, you are settling into yourself. Inhale, calm. Exhale, release. Inhale, grounding. Exhale, doubt. Let your breath anchor you. Place a hand over your heart. Feel the steady rhythm beneath your palm. Your heart has wisdom. Your body has signals. Your intuition has always spoken to you. And today, you begin to hear it clearly again. With each inhale, imagine breathing into your heart space. With each exhale, imagine releasing old doubts or confusion. Inhale clarity, exhale doubt. Inhale truth, exhale hesitation. Feel your heart awakening. Imagine now that you are walking through a peaceful forest path. The air is fresh, the light is soft. Each step feels grounding and sure. In the distance, you see a small, glowing lantern resting on a wooden table. Walk towards it slowly. This lantern represents your inner guidance, the part of you that always knows the way, even when your mind feels uncertain. As you reach the lantern, notice how warm its light feels, how steady, how familiar. Place your hands around the lantern. Feel the glow traveling into your palms, up your arms, and into your heart. This is the light of your inner truth. This is your intuition and your wisdom. It has never left you. It was only waiting for you to return. Let the light fill your body, your chest, your belly, your mind, and your spirit. You are reconnecting with yourself. You are remembering who you are. Place your hand over your heart. Repeat silently, letting the words sink deeply into you. I trust myself to choose what is right for me. Again, I trust myself to choose what is right for me. Feel the warmth of these words move through your entire body. Feel your intuition strengthening, your confidence rebuilding, your inner voice growing clearer. You know what's best for you. You always have. Today, you return to that knowing. Become aware of how grounded you feel, how centered your breath is, how calm your heart feels. Self-trust grows in moments like these. Moments of presence, moments of listening, moments of honesty. You are rebuilding your inner foundation. You are reclaiming your inner guidance. You are learning to trust yourself again. Let that truth settle within you. Take one final deep breath in. And a soft, slow exhale out. Start bringing movement back into your fingers, your toes, your shoulders. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Carry today's affirmation with you. I trust myself to choose what is right for me. Tomorrow, we continue with day 12, nurturing your inner peace.